Let's take a look at our findings from the campus-wide GenAI survey. This video will review the details and supporting evidence from finding number 1. And that finding was that most student and instructor respondents do not routinely use GenAI tools in academic contexts. We started the survey by asking respondents to describe their use of GenAI tools in their academic work. And what we were really getting at here was frequency of use. A minority of student respondents said that they routinely incorporate these tools into some or many aspects of their academic work. But a larger percentage of students said that they have experimented with these tools but don't use them routinely. So altogether, this breaks down to about a third of students, 35%, that we are classifying as routine users of GenAI in their academic work, compared to 2/3 of students, or 65%, who do not routinely use these tools academically. Remember, these groups, routine users and non-routine users, as we have some interesting comparisons to look at between them a little later on. One thing we found was a difference between graduate students and undergraduate students. While the majority of both groups characterize themselves as not routinely using GenAI, a higher percentage of graduate students did say they routinely use GenAI in academic contexts compared to undergraduates. This is an early indication that students' uses and needs around GenAI tools are going to vary depending on where they are in their academic journeys. Looking at instructors, we see that an even smaller percentage, only 14%, characterize themselves as routine users of GenAI within instructional contexts specifically. A much larger percentage say that they have experimented with these tools, but don't use them routinely, or most commonly, that they have never used them for instructional work at all. Overall, instructors seem slower to adopt this technology into their instructional work compared to their students. Join us for our next video as we dig into more survey findings.